I've kind of had up in a bun all week. So it's gotten a little way down and oily. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my dry shampoo and refresh my hair a little bit for some added volume before starting my style. And now I'm taking my vented hairbrush and just pulling my hair all the way up to the top of my head as high as I can to create this ponytail that we're going to be using to make our faux bangs out of. So I'm just gathering that all the way to the top of my head and making sure I get out all the kinks and tangles. Now I'm just going to take my hair tie and I'm going to create the ponytail before I really go in and create the bang, because I want to make sure that my ponytail is secure before I do the next step of this style. So just take that and wrap it around your hair securely and tightly. Now I'm going to figure out where I want to place my bun so that my bangs fall at a good place on my face. If you're in the big forehead gang, give me a thumbs up. The 5-head gang, let me know. Yes, we are here. But I want to make sure that I have enough length at the end of my hair to cover my forehead enough to create this faux bang look. So I'm going to take another tie. I think I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to take this and wrap it around my bun that I've created a couple times to secure that in place. And next, to kind of elevate the style, I'm going to take a piece of the middle of my hair on the top. And I'm just kind of, playing with it, seeing how it's looking so far. I guess that's a good spot for me. So I'm just going to take a little dab of hair, whatever you want to call that. And I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail, the base of the ponytail holder, just to create a little elevated, style, make it look a little bit more sophisticated and put together. So I'm just going to take that, wrap it around, and bobby pin it in place. So we're looking a little crazy right now, but hold on, it ain't gonna last that long. We're about to take our flat iron and go into our faux bang, and we're going to straighten that out, bevel it up, get it bumped so that it looks more realistic as our faux bang. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of fix some stray pieces here that have kind of gotten away. It's a little tricky with the different lengths in your hair, so you kind of gotta finagle it a little bit, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see how the style comes together really well. So I'm just gonna go in and take little pieces and bevel those out with my straightener. just trying to go in and finesse the direction of my hair. You'll see how it kind of falls naturally in its own directions, and so you just kind of, try to get it going in the right way as best as possible. Again, you've got different lengths going on from the back to the front, but the front is usually the longest part, so I'm just taking that, kind of creating a little swoop right now. It looks like a little bit of a comb over, so we're gonna keep playing with this. And then also my bun, I wish it was a little bit fuller, but we're gonna finesse this and make it lay a little bit better here as well. I'm gonna use a couple bobby pins, but for now I'm gonna go in with some hairspray to kind of set this style in place so that it doesn't fall quickly. If you made it this far in the video, please leave me a heart emoji down in the comment section. Let me know, what other kind of videos you'd like to see from me, what other hairstyles. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. I just want to get that in there real quick before the end of the video. And again, appreciate all the support on my little small channel here. I really want to keep growing, so I'm trying to keep it going. But yeah, if you like this video, please show some love. Thank you.